Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add a Q&A to your page on Microsoft Loop. So let us dive into this. So let's assume, for example, you would like to create a Q&A for your project or team. Navigate to your page inside your workspace here on Microsoft Loop. Scroll to the very bottom, start a new command, press enter to get to the next line and give the command or enter the command /Q and A, or Q is Q&A here. Select Q&A session, and after that enter your question, like for example your favorite color, or I don't know, and then enter the answer below. Blue, for example. That's a very simple example here, guys, but you know what I mean. If you'd like to add a new question to your Q&A, click into this button, enter the question here. How do I log out, for example, and then skip to the next line and provide the answer here. And that's how you create your Q&A on Microsoft Loop. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.